My name is Jean-Marc Picard. I'm the Executive Director for the Atlantic Provinces Trucking Association. And we are the body that represents the commercial trucking industry in Atlantic Canada. We've got some of the largest companies in Canada based right here in New Brunswick. And, Midland, Armour Transportation, Day & Ross, Atlantic Pacific. These are, tremendous companies to work for. They're growing every year. And they got a good footprint in the market, not just in Atlantic Canada, but in Canada and in North America. So they offer a huge range of opportunities, whether you want to do local deliveries or long haul deliveries. So everybody's hiring. It's where do you want to work? But if you want job security with our industry, you're 100% certain to get a job right after school. The industry is changing dramatically. The world relies on us. People don't realize that, but the Amazons of the world rely on trucking to make those daily deliveries.
Tom Fillmore, and I'm a truck driver. I work for Seaboard Transport, and I've been a coach here at NBCC for 3 times now. So the school put a simulator in here. It is a very good tool. When they go to get into the truck, they have a lot more knowledge now than what they did before. It gives you all the basic ideas. You can focus on learning without worrying about the traffic. So you don't have to worry about somebody going to cut you off or something like that. You're focusing. You learn how to use your clutch, your gear shift, and your steering. Keep your eyes focused on the road, and your mirrors, and it is a real good tool. Most of the big companies now, we have what they call a safety bonus. That is for you to drive safe, keep your speed down, and try and be accident-free. And if you get 95 to 100% or so, then you get a good safety bonus.
Put your career in motion with NBCC's 15-week professional truck driver program. Visit nbcc.ca for details.